Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Again, welcome to my channel, Fan of English. Today's lesson is 3 confusing words. Let's start. Number 1, pasture. Pasture is related to an area covered with grass for animals. Let's an example. The animals are grazing in a pasture. Number 2, posture. Posture means assume a position with body parts. Let's an example. He sat in a posture of absolute respect. Okay. Number 3, gesture. Gesture is related to body movement, especially with hand or head to indicate something. Let's an example. His gesture indicates that he is not guilty. So my dear friends, thank you so much. Be with me.